Good morning. So today here we are with the first numerical by using moment distribution method. So here it is given that analyze the continuous beam uh, by moment distribution method and draw BMD. Right? This is the given question. So here you can see the continuous beam ABCD. For AB span 50 kilonewton, that is a point load, and for BC span we are having a UDL of 15 kilonewton per meter. Then for CD 1 point load. So first step always it will be what? Kinematic indeterminacy, that is the rotations. So here it is 2, then that is nothing but theta B and theta C, right? So second step is to find the fixed end moments. So as usual we need to find the fixed end moment MFAB. This is equal to minus WL upon 8. So WL upon 8. So W is minus 50, L is 4 upon 8. So this comes out to be 25. So minus 25 kilonewton meter. Now similarly MFBA, if I am doing, that will be plus WL upon 8. So WL upon 8. So directly I will be writing 25 kilonewton meter. Then coming MFBC. So this is nothing but minus WL square upon 12. So this is minus 15, L is 5 upon 12. So if you calculate for this 15 into 5 square upon 12, so this comes out to be minus 31.25 kilonewton meter. Then similarly MFCB, so this will be plus WL square upon 12. So this comes out to be 31.25 plus. Then the last, that is MFCD. So this is nothing but minus WAB square upon L square. So W is minus 80, A is 2, B is 3 upon L is 5 square. So if you calculate for this value comes out to be minus 57.6 kilonewton meter. Now similarly MFDC, if I am doing, that will be plus WA square B upon L square. So this will be 80, A is 2, B is 3 upon L is 5 square. So this comes out to be 38.4 kilonewton meter. So this is plus 38.4 kilonewton meter. So this is the fixed end moment. Now after this, the third step will be what? Distribution factor table. So for distribution factor will be for intermediate support. Here it will be B and C are the intermediate support. So here I will be writing joint, right? Then which are the members? I will be writing the members. Then after members, K, that is relative stiffness, right? Then after K, summation of K. Then after summation of K, then distribution factor. This is equal to K upon summation of K. So first is B is the intermediate support, and for this BA and BC. Now BA, if I am talking, A is what? Fixed support, and you know that if it is a fixed support or continuous support, the formula is I upon L, right? So here you need to do I upon L. I value is I as it is and L is 4. So this will be 0.25 I. Now similarly for BC, C is continuous support. So once again this is I by L. So this is I and divided by 5. So this will be 0.2 I. So sum of these will be 0.45 I, right? So then 0.25 upon 0.45. So this comes out to be 0.56. And similarly here it comes out to be 0.44. And if you see, the sum is 1. Now the last is, second one is C. Now for C, if you are doing, this will be CB and CD, right? Now for CB, when I am doing, B is what? B is continuous support. Now whenever I am talking BA, BC and all, the end support you need to do. CB means B. B is and B is support. B is simple but it is continuous. So once again this is I upon L. So I upon 5 means once again this is 0.2 I. Now similarly CD. CD is once again I by L because D is fixed. So this is once again it is 0.2 I. Right? So this will be 0.4 I. Now similarly this is 0.5 and this is 0.5. So this is the distribution factor table. Now after distribution factor table, the last step is nothing but your moment distribution table. So whenever I said moment distribution table means what are the supports that you need to write. This is A, this is B, this is C and this is T, and here you will be having remark, right? So these are the values. So now what I will do, I will draw just the table for this. So here I will be drawing, and last will be my remark. This will be AB, this is BA, this is BC, this is CB, this is CD and this is DC, right? These will be my members, right? Then after members I need to write the distribution factors. So for AB no distribution factors. For BA this will be 0.56, this will be 0.44 and this is 0.5 and this is 0.5, and for this no distribution factor. Now after distribution factors I need to write the fixed end moment. So fixed end moments for AB, this is minus 25, this is plus 25, this is minus 31.25, and here this is for CB this is 31.25. For CD this is minus 57.6, and for this is 38.4, right? These are the fixed end moments. Now after writing the fixed end moments, now you know that the next step is nothing but your balance. Now balance, how you need to do, I need to take the algebraic sum of this. So algebraic sum of this is nothing but 25 minus of 31.25. So this comes out to be minus 6.25. I need to change the sign, and after changing the sign I need to write this. So after changing the sign, if I am writing, so this will be what? If I write like this, so this will be plus 6.25, right? And similarly here, so here when I am writing, this is nothing but what? 31.25 minus of 57.6, this is minus 26.35. Change the sign and I am writing 26.35, right? And after this you need to multiply with the distribution factor. So that is nothing but 6.25 into 0.56. So this comes out to be 3.5, right? Then the other, if you are doing, so this comes out to be 2.75, right? And similarly 26.35, right? So into 0.5, this comes out to be 13.175. So this is also 13.175. So this is my balance step. Now after balance I need to do carryover. So carryover is nothing but what? If it is far end is if the far end is fixed or continuous, I need to transfer. So A is fixed, so half of this means 3.5 divided by 2, this comes out to be 1.75, right? And from this also, as C is continuous, this also I need to transfer half, 2.75 by 2, this comes out to be 1.375, and half of this is also, B is also continuous, so this will be 13.175 divided by 2, this is 6.58, 6.59, and as D is also continuous, this is also 6.59, right? So this is the first iteration what I have done for the first step, right? So this comes out to be, now this is the first step. Now after this what I will do, now this is only to understand, I have written here 6.25 and 26.35. now for the next step directly you can do. Now after coming to this, then I need to take the algebraic sum of this particular thing. Now if you see 6.59 plus 0, that is 6.59, change the sign, means minus 6.59. so this multiplied with the 0.56, here you will be getting minus 3.69, and the same thing after multiplying with the 0.44 you will be getting minus 2.9, right? And similarly for 1.375, so 1.37 only I am considering, and this multiply with 0.5 after changing the sign, 0.68, and here also it is 0.68. so this is my second step of balance. Now after this, carry over. So half here I need to carry over, that is minus 3.6, half means minus 1.84, and this 2.9 means minus 1.45, and this 0.68 means this will be minus 0.34, and here also it is minus 0.34, right? So this is the second step of iteration. Then what I am doing, the third step, when I am doing the third step of balance, so when I am doing the third step of balance, so this will be the same, minus 0.34 means that is plus 0.34 into 0.56, so this comes out to be 0.19. so as this is minus means this comes out to be 0.19, right? So then similarly 0.34 into 0.44, this comes out to be 0.149, and similarly 1.45 means into 0.5, so this comes out to be 0.725. so this is 0.725 here, and here it is 0.725. this is the balance. The next step is carry over. Carry over means half of this need to be transferred to here, that is 0.19. so 0.19 half means, so this comes out to be 0.09, and after 0.149 means this comes out to be 0.075, then 0.725 means this comes out to be 0.36, then after this 0.36, if this is 0.725, then it comes out to be 0.36, right? So this is the third iteration what I have done, right? So as their decimal points are more, I will just show you one more step for this, so that it is easy for you, because more iterations we are doing, then the balance will be more. So that is why one more iteration I am considering here. So next balance means 0.36. so 0.36 means this is 0.36, change the sign, it will be minus 0.36, multiply with 0.56 after changing the sign. So this comes out to be minus 0.2, and this comes out to be minus 0.16. now for 0.075, this comes out to be 0.037, and this is also minus 0.037, right? Now after balance, right, so next step is carry over. So minus 0.2 means this is minus 0.1, so this is minus 0.08, so minus 0.037 means, so minus 0.037, if I am taking half of this, so this comes out to be minus 0.018, right? And similarly here also it comes out to be minus 0.018, right? Now after this last iteration, the end will be balance. So after balance only I need to take the sum. So this comes out to be 0.01, and this comes out to be 0.008, and then this comes out to be 0.04, and this comes out to be 0.04. So this is the balance step. Now after balance I need to take the sum of this from this fixed end moments. So from fixed end moments if I am taking the sum, So this comes out to be 25.1. So this comes out to be 24.81, right? And this comes out to be minus 24.81, and this comes out to be 44.4, and this comes out to be minus 44.4, and last you are getting here, this is 44.92, right? So this is the values what I am getting. So when I am drawing this fixed end movements, so I need to draw the fixed end final movement. So this is 25.1, right? And here it comes out to be so this will be a little less, means this will be 24.81. so after this 24.81, so this is 44.4, and this is 44.9, right? So similarly this I am joining now. These are the join. Now after this I need to draw the value of this. So here this comes out to be 50, means this is WL by 4. This is a triangle, right? So 50 into L, this will be 50. Then I am drawing a parabola, right? So this will be WL square by 8. So W, I think this is 15, L is 5 square upon 8. W means 15, L is 5 square upon 8. So this comes out to be 46.875, and last this is a triangle, and this triangle means this comes out to be how much? This is WAB by L. So 80 into 2 into 3 upon L is 5. So this is 96. So 96 means here I need to write 96. So this will be minus, this is plus, minus, minus, plus, minus, minus, plus, and minus, right? So this is the solution for this. I have drawn this and I have done with the bending moment diagram also. Thank you.